Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download files from OneDrive for LinkedIn document uploads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Log in to your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see your OneDrive dashboard containing all your files. Locate the file you wish to download for your LinkedIn document upload. Hover over the file until you see a check mark or a circle icon appear next to it. Click on the check mark or the circle icon to select the file. After selecting the file, look for the download button at the top of the screen. Click the download button to initiate the download process. The file will be saved to your computer's default download location. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file in that folder. Now, you are ready to upload this file to LinkedIn. Open a new tab and go to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the section where you want to upload the document. Click on the option for uploading a document or adding a post. Select the downloaded file from your computer. Follow any additional prompts to complete the upload. Your document is now ready to be shared with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.